Question is, are you going to look every day on TV and see how the prices of electricity and gas are going up? Or are you going to make your own hydrosonic pump and generate heat and electricity? Don't delay it any longer. The time to take action is now. Stop losing money and build your own hydrosonic pump this weekend. I'm sure that you've heard this before, and you end up building with very expensive solar panels. But for the first time, there's finally a way to get 170% more energy than you consume, which can greatly reduce your electricity or gas bills each month. As I said before, I'm not talking about solar panels, which can be very pricey to buy, hard to build if you don't have enough info, and the problem is that they only work in certain conditions. I'm actually talking about a device that you can build in 3 days, whose parts are inexpensive, and a device so easy to build, anyone can build their own, even some with no building or engineering skills. And this device will create 170% more energy than it consumes. Clean and safe energy that you can use to heat your home or power your appliances, which will drastically lower your electric and gas bills each month. Wouldn't it be awesome to get the same amount of energy, but to pay 10 times less on the electric and the gas bill? This is what an inventor named Griggs discovered about 20 years ago. Griggs invented something 23 years ago that turned the energy establishment upside down. It was a device that produced 170% more energy than it consumes. The device uses cavitations and kinetic energy to induce almost perpetual motion. Now, if a device that helps power and heat your home, paying 10 times less on your bill sounds too good to be true, Griggs' device isn't just a bunch of theory. His invention was patented twice by the U.S. government in 1993 and in 1999. These are the U.S. patent numbers 5188090 and 5957122. What happens when the hydrosonic pump is filled up with water and switched on was described by Over-Unity investigator Jed Rothwell, who conducted a detailed engineering investigation of the device in January 1994. During one of the demonstrations we watched, he says, over a 20-minute period, 3 kilowatt-hours of electricity was input, and 19,050 BTUs of heat evolved, which equals 5.58 kilowatt-hours, or 175% of input. The actual input-to-output ratio was even better than this when you take into account the inefficiencies of the electric motor. It's a very interesting project, and it makes you feel very good when you see the steam coming out from this device, consuming less energy than an old TV does. Plus, after I connected a 48-volt generator with a steam turbine, it started to produce electricity as well. So you can heat and also get electricity for your house using this awesome device. Unlike most Over-Unity devices, however, you can build and install a hydrosonic pump in your own home. I've decided to put my documentation about building this device in a video series named The Miracle of Shockwaves. It's a 2.5-hour video where I show you step-by-step how I've built this device. I will also include a handbook where you can find the exact dimensions of the parts I've used. If you feel like it's time for a change and you want to drastically reduce your power bills, you have to see this video. Think about how much you can save on your power bills by using this device. There's no easier way to learn how to do something than to watch someone do it first, step by step. To get your hand on the Miracle of Shockwaves video courses on how to build your hydrosonic pump, plus the great bonus on how to build a wind turbine,
just follow the link below.